are at the 10th edition of IEIA Open Seminar at the BIEC Bangalore. So we have with us Mr. Sambit. Could you please introduce yourself?
Thank you for having me. My name is Sambit Kumar Mon. I work as a senior general manager in High-Tech's exhibition center. I do our own shows. I take care of all the own exhibitions of High-Tech's. Plus, I also try to bring in new organizers to High-Tech's. So I'm there for 10 years now, and so far it is good. Thank you.
So this 10th year of Open Seminar of Exhibitions, what exactly happened here today and what did you see new over here after 2 years?
So it's a great opportunity to be back in Indian IIA Open Seminar. It's an opportunity to meet our old friends, though we did not see many new people this year. But it's good to reconnect with your old colleagues, old friends, customers, and your associates and partners. And I'm happy to be here. And it's a great platform. It will ignite the business again. And I'm sure it's a positive move. All congratulations to the EC and the organizers of the Open Seminar.
Absolutely. So where do you see the future of exhibitions after 2 years? A lot of mistrust has been developed. A lot of people have, economically it has been very, very bad. What do you see the future of manufacturers and the exhibitions?
See, as I was mentioning, things are coming back to normalcy at High-Tech. So we have been proactive throughout, though even we are proactive in the first lockdown also, and we are also proactive after the second this thing. We are operational since August now. I'm happy to inform that whatever exhibitions we are hosting, whether B2B or B2C, response are outstanding from the visitor side. Last week only we hosted India Lab Expo. I have my friends working in different part of the country in the healthcare and laboratory side, and they call me and inform me that the show was fantastic. Like people from Ahmedabad received inquiry amounting crores from the exhibitions. So overall response is good, and things are coming back to normalcy. And as far as the future is concerned, to my knowledge, as somebody was mentioning in today's conference, future is the digitizing the company. The people who are working should be more tech savvy. We are ignoring that. We are more into human connect thing. But all of us who are in the industry have to adopt technology very fast. We don't have much time. And the other one will be, it's time for a collaboration. We cannot have the old model running throughout. People have to be, the venue owners have to be flexible, organizers have to be flexible. The earlier rental model may not work. At High-Tech's, we have been working on a revenue share kind of thing. To our organizer, we say, don't give us fixed rental, you give us percentage of your top line. So that's how people are becoming flexible at High-Tech's at least, and I'm sure other people are also doing, other venue, other organizers are also doing. Thank you.
Absolutely right. It's very important to accept the change as it happens. So wish you all the best in the near future and thank you so much.
Thank you to Hexagon. Thank you.